Hello guys, Heygen just dropped their new AI Studio, and it's a total game changer. With this Heygen's new features, you have full control over how your avatar speaks, moves, and delivers. Here's what it looks like in action.
So guys, have you tried Heygen's new editor? You can voice mirror, you can add captions, and you can even add background music. You really gotta try it out. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, you can use the new voice director. It lets you prompt me to speak in a specific style by just typing in the prompt.
Here's what Joshua Shu, Heygen's CEO, has to say about this latest launch.
Hey everyone, Joshua here. Yesterday, we reviewed an entire new way to create with Heygen. We believe everyone has a story to tell, and creating a video should be as simple as writing a document. That's the core idea behind AI Studio. With script-based editor, you are in full creative control, allowing you to shape not only what is said, but how it's delivered. Voice, emotion, even gestures. It's intuitive, it's fast, and it unlocks a new level of creative freedom for everyone. I'm personally really eager to see what you all come up with using Heygen. Give it a try and tag us in your creations. We look forward to seeing how your story come to life.
To try Heygen's AI Studio, just follow the link in the description of this video and start creating amazing content. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly support me by hitting that subscribe button now. Also, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Now let me show you how you can take total control over your avatar from voice to gestures and to the delivery. To do that, let's create this together.
So I'm just testing out Heygen's new editor. I'm gonna add some captions, try the transitions, and add some background music. It's super easy to use, and you guys should give it a shot. Here, I am going to add voice director to my voice. Simply click voice director below, and then type in the emotion or tone of how you want your avatar to speak.
First, type in the tone you want. It could be confident, calm, unhinged, and Heygen's voice director brings it to life. No guesswork, just perfect delivery. Do you want it to sound exactly like you? Voice mirroring captures your tone, pace, and style, all from one recording. Your avatar, your voice, your way. Let's boost engagement and accessibility without lifting a finger by adding captions in a click. Auto-styled, auto-magical. It's time to set the mood. Drop in the perfect track and watch your video come to life. Finally, let's add our transitions and we are good to go. That's it. Super simple, right? So what are you waiting for? Follow the link in the description of this video to Heygen's website and start creating your content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.